So hi, what is a soft way to handle a check bounce case? What what is the first step you need to take when you get information from the bank that the check you presented, the check of the accused which you presented got bounced? My suggestion would be to go to the accused, meet him, because you both are already friends, because it is on a friendly basis, on a friendly relationship itself, check was issued to you by the accused based on some legally enforceable debt or liability on behalf of the accused, you being a creditor, accused being the debtor. There was a friendly relationship between both of you. Needless to say, it is implied. Otherwise, without any business transaction, without any friendship, without any relationship, there would not have been any transaction between both of you. Therefore, my suggestion would be to meet the accused, because you have 1 month time to issue a notice, giving him, that is the accused, 15 days time to repay the amount. Therefore, don't run and issue a legal notice. There is lot of time to issue a legal notice. Try to settle the matter before issuing notice or a legal notice. The choice is yours. I have made another video on notice. I'll come to that in this video later. So meet him through the mediators, through directly, call him, and then try to settle the matter. Give him time, because there could be hundreds of reasons for getting a check bounced. Try to even repair the relationship that is strained between the complainant and the accused. Try to work at that level, because once you approach court, anything can happen. It never happens the way you think. Court is always a surprise giver. It always surprises not only the common public, even advocates also suffer from surprises of the court. So my request would be, the first step when you receive information that the check got bounced is to approach the accused, meet him, have a friendly talk, try to settle the matter. If at all he doesn't settle the matter, or he is not interested to settle the matter, then also, please note this point, then also no need to approach an advocate. Issue a notice, a friendly notice, within 30 days from the date of receipt of information from the bank. That is, bank issues a memo that the check got bounced. That is a way of giving information to you when a check gets bounced. So from the date of issuing a memo from your bank, it will be 30 days to send a notice. So let 1 week of the 30 days may be cooling off period between the accused and the complainant. Don't become angry because the check got bounced. Give some breathing space to the accused. You can always file a check bounce case, and I am not speaking against filing a check bounce case. I am only speaking against the unnecessary suffering you will have to undergo if you start the legal process. Because legal process is never a luxury. It is expensive. It is always expensive. It comes with lot of uncertainty. It comes with lot of expenses. You have to spend a lot. You have to invest a lot. So therefore, what I suggest is, try to settle the issue, and after 1 week or 10 days, issue a notice. So once you issue a notice, even then also issue a friendly notice. Don't bring law or legal aspect or rights or duties or liabilities at this stage of notice. The very purpose of using the word notice, as far as I understand, instead of using legal notice in section 138 of NI Act, is to promote the settlement, promote compromise between the parties, is what I understand. Legislature is not dearth of words. It could have used the word legal notice, but it did not. So we should understand the intention of the legislature is not to aggravate the situation, but to settle the situation, mitigate the situation. So therefore try to settle with the accused. Don't show your egos. That is not the time to display your ego. Try to settle it, and if at all it is not settled, even then I have made another video regarding the format of a legal notice. Send a legal notice through that format with a proper acknowledgement. Save it. Make your own necessary arrangements to save your rights. I'm not against that. I'm only suggesting settlement. Okay, thank you and all the best.